Hi there guys, this is John from ActiveJR.com, and in this video I'm going to be taking you through the specs, the sizes, the pricing and availability for the delayed IKEA Smart blinds. Now IKEA were meant to release these in Europe in February and in the US in April, but for various different reasons they were delayed. I'll also be doing a full in-depth review of these smart blinds, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive a notification when that in-depth review is available. Thanks very much, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so starting with some of the spec. In the box, you get the smart blinds, a remote, battery, and a charger, along with the signal repeater. Now, when it comes to using the IKEA Smart blinds, they're battery operated, and these need to be charged with the included charger. Now, you can operate them using the remote, which comes with the IKEA Smart blinds, or you can use them with the Tradfri app or the Smart Home setups. Now, you do need a gateway to use it with the Tradfri app or Smart Home. Now, they come with a signal repeater. Now, this needs to be within 10 meters of the smart blinds. One other thing to point out, the IKEA Smart blinds come in 195 centimeter drop, but this can be customized when you're setting up with the remote or in the Tradfri app. You also can pair the IKEA Smart blinds with HomeKit, Google Home and Alexa. But in order to do so, you do need to use the IKEA Tradfri gateway, which is available separately. Okay, so now moving on to pricing and sizing. Now in the UK and Europe, they'll be available in two different versions. The first version will be a shade version, which will allow the light through, and the second version will be a full blackout version. Now, they'll come in various different sizes across the UK and Europe, and price in the UK will start at £89 all the way up to £150, and in Europe will start at €99 all the way up to €159. So there's no custom sizing available, so they're simply an off-the-shelf product that you go into IKEA and buy if they're available. Now in the US, things are a little bit different. You'll only be able to get the blackout version, and there's a few more sizes available in the US. Now price in the US starts at $129 up to $179 with again no custom sizing available. So again, it's what you see on the shelves is what you get. Now in terms of availability in the UK and Europe, they'll be available around August-September time. The reason for that time frame is because various different countries have offered various different dates. Certainly the UK and Sweden have offered around August and other countries around September. In terms of the US, they're going to start shipping and be in stores from around October time, and they'll be available both online and in store. So guys, that's all the information about the IKEA Smart blinds. Hopefully you found this video useful, and if you have, please give me a thumbs up, or if you've got a comment, please leave it below. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I will be doing a full in-depth review. So thanks very much. I'll speak to you soon.